So here we have a Homo sapien, or a human, and that falls under the category, or the kingdom of Animalia, and they're eukaryotic, and they don't have chloroplasts or cell walls, and they don't have chloroplasts because they're not plants. They're multicellular, and they're heterotrophs, so they eat other species or other types of food, and they don't make it themselves. Now we're going to be talking about Kingdom Plantae. All organisms in Kingdom Plantae are eukaryotes. They have cell walls made of cellulose and chloroplasts, which help capture sunlight for photosynthesis. They're multicellular and they're autotrophs because they get their own energy and food from sunlight and convert it into energy in a process called photosynthesis. Some other examples are mosses, ferns, trees, and grass. Here are some examples from Kingdom Fungi. You've probably seen most of these when you walk through the woods or the grocery store. All the organisms in Kingdom Fungi are eukaryotes. They have cell walls made of chitin. Most of them are multicellular, but there are a few that are unicellular. They're heterotrophs, so they absorb nutrients from other sources and they don't make it themselves. Some examples are mushrooms, yeast, and shelf fungi. Now we're going to be talking about Kingdom Protista. All organisms in Kingdom Protista are eukaryotes. Some have cell walls made of cellulose, and some have chloroplasts as well. Some are unicellular, some make colonies, and some are multicellular. They're autotrophs or heterotrophs, and it depends on the species. Some examples are amoeba, paramecium, giant kelp, and slime molds. So now we're going to be talking about Kingdom Archaebacteria. They're all prokaryotes and they have cell walls without peptidoglycan. They're unicellular and they're autotrophs and heterotrophs. Some examples are methanogens, halophiles, and thermophiles, which live in extremely hot conditions. Now we're talking about Kingdom Eubacteria. The cell type of all organisms in eubacteria is prokaryotic. The cell structure is that they have cell walls with peptidoglycan. They're unicellular and they're autotrophs and heterotrophs. Some examples are E. coli and streptococcus, which cause the disease like strep throat.